Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about free time. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and speaking skills. Talking about free time. Free time is a good topic because everyone enjoys having free time. I love having free time, and you probably do too. Free time for kids and adults. Let's first talk about how much free time people have. Most children have more free time than adults. When you're a kid, you don't have the responsibilities that an adult has. Adults have to work, pay the bills, and take care of their children. Kids usually don't have to do these things. Kids usually have to go to school and do homework. This can be difficult, but it's usually not that difficult. So children have more free time. Free time as a kid. When I was a kid, I had a lot of free time. I got home from school around 2 or 3 p.m., and after that, I played a lot. On weekdays, from Monday to Friday, I probably had around 4 or 5 hours of free time each day. Sometimes I got bored because I had so much free time, but as I got older, I had more homework each year, so each year I had a little less free time. I didn't have too much homework, though. In the United States, we don't get that much homework. In some other countries, children have a lot of homework. I'm glad that my schoolwork wasn't very hard. Weekends. On weekends, I had even more free time. On Saturday and Sunday, I did many activities. Weekends were the best because I had all day to play and rest. I really liked weekends, and I still do. Free time as an adult. Now that I'm an adult, I don't have a lot of free time. I have to work and do many other things. I usually start working early, like at 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m., so I have to wake up around 6 a.m. When I was a kid, I slept more. I usually slept for 8 hours every night. As an adult, I don't sleep 8 hours every night. I usually get 7 hours or 7.5 hours of sleep. How about you? How many hours of sleep do you get? After I finish work, I have some free time in the evening. However, I usually do some extra work or study during this time. I have to make these YouTube videos and Instagram videos, and I also study foreign languages at night. I have some free time to just relax. My wife and I spend the evenings together and enjoy this time. Popular free time activities. Tsati. Now, let's talk about some popular activities that people do in their free time. For example, many people like to play sports or exercise in their free time. When I was a kid, I played a lot of sports. I played basketball, baseball, tennis, soccer, football, and golf. I really liked playing sports in my free time. But as an adult, I don't play any sports. I'm not very interested in playing sports nowadays. However, I exercise in my free time. I work out almost every day, but just for a short time. Other people spend a lot of time exercising. Watching TV and movies. Another activity that people do in their free time is watch TV shows and movies. Many people do this in their free time. I know some people who watch many hours of TV every day. I don't watch a lot of TV or movies. Playing games. I really like playing games in my free time. I play chess online, but I'm not very good. I also like playing board games with my family. We play games like Catan and Codenames. Do you like playing board games? Surfing the internet. One last activity that most people do in their free time is surf the internet. This is probably the most common activity that people do. I spend a lot of time on the internet. Some days I spend too much time on the internet. It's not good to spend all day inside on the computer. We should try to go outside and do other activities too. But the internet is very entertaining, so it's easy to spend many hours surfing the web. Hobbies and creative activities. Some people enjoy hobbies and creative activities in their free time. These can include things like drawing, painting, writing, or crafting. Hobbies and creative activities are great ways to relax and express yourself. Reading. Another popular free time activity is reading. Some people love to read books or magazines in their free time. Reading is a great way to learn new things and improve your language skills. It's also a relaxing activity that you can do anywhere. Outdoor activities. Many people enjoy outdoor activities in their free time. These can include things like hiking, biking, or simply going for a walk. Outdoor activities are great for your health and allow you to enjoy nature. Conclusion. Free time is important because it helps us relax, have fun, and enjoy life. It's important to balance work and free time to stay healthy and happy. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about the video to see if you understood. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. What time did I get home from school when I was a kid? 2. How many hours do I sleep each night? 3. What game do I like playing online? That's all for today. Leave a comment and answer the questions. I'll see you next time.